We just walked around this site. They get runoff from the mung or the puke there. They got a spring just up the top. And for this site, she's doing tiers of different layers or levels of trees. But look what she's using. So she'll let the grass grow around here in the orchard and then cut it down and mulch it and then use it as a cover. So you got your nice compost underneath. And like at our papakainga, the soil temperature is cooler here than it is on top. It's a good way of just adding mulch to the top of the soil in the bed. Other plants for flowers to attract the bees, the pollinators. It's awesome. Mulching. So it gives us some ideas and the uses of arakeke and banana trees. So these are Australian natives or Australian trees. These ones here, obviously the eucalyptus as well. But you could have those spread out, which I'm thinking I might do now that I've seen them here in New Zealand. There's another one over here. Just here. And what you can do is see how the pole, and you could use those as stakes later on, but if you had those spread out, and it would just provide a bit of shelter. And then cut and mulch and chip because they're fast growing.